Hello students, welcome to AKSAR Group Learning Class. Students, if you are thinking 10th class maths is a very hard subject, don't worry for that. I am going to make you maths is the very easiest subject among all the subjects. You know that maths is the only subject in that you can score 100 out of 100. So 10th class students, if you are planning or if you want to score 100 out of 100 in maths, so just subscribe my channel and share it to your friends, because I am going to teach you a 10th class maths subject very easy and simple step with interesting. So I am Ashok Nalwade. Today I am going to teach you a first chapter from your class, that is arithmetic progression. In this class, I am going to discuss a very important questions, and till now they asked so many times in your board exam. So let us start. What are the questions that will be going to ask for 1 marks and multiple choice question. The first and foremost question is the standard form of an AP. So what is the standard form of AP? You know that the standard form of AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, so on, A plus N minus 1D. This is the standard form of arithmetic progression. So this question is asked so many times as a 1 mark question as well as multiple choice question. And one more question is general form of an nth term of an AP. The general form of nth term of an AP is an equal to A plus N minus 1D. And one more question in the same form, that is general form of any term. I mean, they may ask any term. For example, they ask 15th term of an AP. So 15th term of an AP is A plus N minus 1D is the general form. In that you have to put N value is 15. Then the general form of 15th term will be A 15th is equal to A plus 14D. Like that, if they ask 19th term means 19, then the general form of 19th term will be A 19th is equal to A plus 18D. If they ask 100 term means A 100 is equal to A plus 99D. Like that, they may ask similar questions, means they will change the term only. So these are the questions. And one more important question is the sum of n terms in a AP. So you know that when there are two formulas for finding the sum of arithmetic progression, that is, one is when A, D, N is given. So if they asked only write the sum of n term in an arithmetic progression, means you have to write as n is equal to n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1d. This is the formula you will write when first term, common difference, and n is given. And one more question they may ask, that is when first term and last term is given. Here last term is an and we will call L also, means last term it is also. If they ask write the nth term, sum of n terms of in a AP when its first term and last term is given, then you have to write that as n is equal to n by 2 a plus an, or Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus n. The both are same. You can take an or l. You have to write any one. Please read the question twice, whether they ask the first and the last term or just they simply asked write the sum of n terms of in an AP. If write the sum of n terms of in an AP means first one you have to write. If they asked first term and last term is given, then you have to write the second one. And in sum of AP, 3 more questions they will ask in your exam, that is, it may be 1 mark or as a multiple choice question, that is a natural number. You already know that natural number is also arithmetic progression. It is in arithmetic progression because common difference between all natural number is 1, means continuous number, not any number. The common difference between all natural number is 1, so that is also we are considered, that is the arithmetic progression. So sum of natural number is equal to Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 whole divided by 2. And one more question, odd number. You know that odd numbers also in AP, because the common difference between the all odd number is 2, so it is also considered as the arithmetic progression. So sum of odd number is equal to n into n or n square. And one more question, even numbers also in AP. So sum of even number is equal to n into n plus 1. And one more question, that is common difference. If the nth term and n minus 1 term is given, then the common difference dn is equal to an minus an minus 1. These are the questions based on the formula. They may ask formula as 1 marks in your board exam. So now you know that what are the formulas will be asked for 1 marks as well as multiple choice question. Let us see what are the problems will be asked for 1 marks and as well as for your multiple choice question. In your board exam till now they asked a 1 marks question and a multiple choice question similar to these questions. Here I given 5 questions. Let us see how to solve it. See, the first question is given that in a AP 2, x, 26 find the x value. Hey, this is the common question that is so many times they asked for a 1 marks question or in a multiple choice question. So we already know that if A1, A2, A3, 3 terms are in AP. See, 1, 2, 3, 3 terms are in AP. Middle term A2 is always equal to A1 plus A3 whole divided by 2. Now A1 is what? A1 is 2 plus A2 is 26 divided by 2, that is 28 by 2. Now A2 is equal to 14. This is the easiest way you can do it. Means when if 3 terms are in AP, we can take sum of first and third term divided by 2 is always equal to A2, means median. You can say that this is the median. So put the value of A1 and A3, that is A1 is 2, A3 is 26 divided by 2, you will get A2 is equal to 14. A fraction of second you will get the answer. And one more question here. Use the same formula. What is the question they given? See, second question is here, this is K and this is K plus 2 and this one is 4K minus 2. Use the same form, that is A2 is equal to A1 plus A3 divided by 2. So A2 is K plus 2 is equal to A1 is K and 4K minus 2 divided by 2. That is K plus 2 is equal to 5K minus 2 divided by 2. Now bring these 2 to here. So division becomes multiplication. I can write 2 into K, 2K plus 4 is equal to 5K minus 2. Now bring minus 2 to this side and 2K to that side. It becomes 4 plus 2, minus 2 becomes plus 2 and is equal to 5K minus 2K. 4 plus 2 is 6, 5 minus 2 is 3 and K. 3 ones are, 3 twos are, so K is equal to 2. This is the simplest way you can find the value. Like that they will give different things there. If 3 terms are in AP, find the value of K. If 3 terms are in AP, find the value of X. Like that they will give the 3 terms and they will ask the unknown value in AP or else find the middle term of the AP. Like these questions are asked in your exam. So for that use this formula, that is A2 is always equal to A1 plus A3 divided by 2. And one more question so many times they asked, that is here, if A, B, C are in AP, then A minus B by B minus B minus C equal to dash, or the same question, B minus A by C minus B is equal to dash. Let us see now, let us see how to solve the third question. Say A, B, C are in AP, then the common difference D will be B minus A, and one more common difference D will be C minus B. This is the common difference between first 2 terms, and this is the common difference between second 2 terms. You know that in an AP the common difference is same. So if I take the ratio, that is B minus A by C minus B is equal to D by D. So D by D is get cancelled. That is B minus A by C minus B is equal to 1. I mean B minus A is equal to C minus. Now see here, B minus A by C minus B is equal to 1. That is as B minus A by C minus B is equal to 1. Same question is like this also. If see A minus B by B minus A, what is the value like that? Use this one only. Bring this to here. That is B minus A is equal to C minus B. I want A minus B. So bring A to here Now bring C to this side. That is B minus C is equal to A minus B. If I take the ratio B minus, that is if I now write in the ratio form, bring the B minus C to that side. That is 1 is equal to A minus B by B minus C. See, just they changed the value and they asked, that is A minus B by B minus C is also equal to 1, or else B minus A by C minus D is also equal to 1. Because the ratio is same, so if I, because the common difference is same, if I take the ratio of common difference, the value is 1. So, simple question, no need to do all these things, just you have to write the value. This is asked in your board exam multiple choice question. And one more question they asked, that is, this is also formula, forget to explain there. AN is always equal to SN minus 1, means they ask what is the relation between the sum of AP and the general form of nth term. This is the relation between nth term of an AP and sum of EAP. This is the relation. If they ask, you have to write the formula. And one more question, so many times they asked in your exam is, in an AP, if pth term is equal to Q and qth term is equal to P, then what is the common difference? Sometimes they may ask pth term is P and qth term is Q. Here I change pth term is Q and qth term is P. The only answer is that P, that is what, common difference CD is always equal to pth term minus qth term divided by Q minus P is the answer. So like these questions they will ask in your board exam for 1 mark or for multiple choice questions. Just you have to remember that 3 terms is given, always middle term A is equal to, if A, B, C or in AP, then always B is equal to A plus C by 2. Use this formula and solve it. And common difference, that is B minus A by C minus B is always equal to 1. And last term is pth term minus qth term divided by P minus Q is always is equal to common difference. These are the things. Based on this, they will ask the problematical questions. This is the simple way you have to solve it. Hope that you have understood all the questions that are given here. So if you have any doubt regarding these questions, or else if you have any other questions that you saw in your board question paper, just drop in my comment box and I will give the answer for that.